Did you know you can now use Perplexity AI right inside your WhatsApp without downloading any app or creating an account? Yep, no installation, no sign-ins, just open your WhatsApp and you are good to go. Here is how to set it up within a minute. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITeePK. In your WhatsApp, let's go ahead and click on this plus icon here. We want to start new chat with a new contact. Just go ahead and tap on new contact. In the first name, I want to type Perplexity AI. Here we want to change the code to United States and let's enter Perplexity AI contact number 8334363 Just go ahead and save the information. You can also find this number in the video description if you want to copy and just paste it. Let's go ahead and refresh my contact list. Now I want to go ahead and start new chat with Perplexity AI. Search for Perplexity AI. Now I can just go ahead and ask anything. Either those are tech questions, summaries, ideas, even help with homework. It responds fast and it's surprisingly smart. Basically, you have now got a mini AI assistant sitting in your WhatsApp, ready whenever you need it. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.